Every modern organization relies on its network infrastructure. Weak architecture can allow attackers to move laterally and compromise entire environments. This video covers the core building blocks of secure enterprise network design: DMZs, VLANs, firewalls, VPNs, proxies, and secure design principles. The demilitarized zone, or DMZ, is your first security buffer. It is a separate network segment isolating publicly accessible systems, such as web servers and email, from critical internal assets. If a DMZ server is compromised, segmentation prevents direct access to the internal network. Virtual local area networks, or VLANs, provide logical separation on physical infrastructure. They divide the network into isolated segments for improved performance and threat containment. This segmentation limits lateral movement if one VLAN is compromised. Firewalls are the gatekeepers of enterprise networks, monitoring and controlling traffic based on security rules. They operate across the network and application layers, performing next-generation analysis and policy enforcement to block malicious activity. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, create encrypted tunnels for secure remote access. They are essential for modern work environments. Key security considerations include multi-factor authentication, device verification, conditional access, and continuous monitoring of sessions. Proxy servers act as an intermediary between users and external resources, giving organizations visibility and control over network traffic. Different types, such as forward, reverse, and transparent proxies, serve distinct security functions like enforcing policies and filtering attacks. Secure network design is about building for resilience. It requires careful design to reduce risk and limit the blast radius of attacks. Key design principles include least privilege access, segmentation, redundancy, and continuous monitoring. Modern environments are complex, incorporating cloud, hybrid networks, and IoT devices. Visibility is essential to manage risks. Architecture must support monitoring traffic flows for anomalies, detecting lateral movement, identifying external threats, and enabling rapid response. Weak architecture with flat paths and insufficient monitoring enables rapid compromise. Conversely, strong architecture forces attackers to overcome multiple security barriers, increasing detection chances. Architecture itself is a critical security control. In summary, enterprise network security architecture is the foundation of modern defense. DMZs isolate services, VLANs segment the network, firewalls enforce policies, VPNs secure remote access, proxies provide control, and segmentation minimizes blast radius. Up next, we'll cover Active Directory security fundamentals.